Fenico Full DC Inverter Air Source Heat Pump Polaris Series, adopting Panasonic, Mitsubishi DC Inverter High Efficiency Compressors for more stable performance. The appearance is based on European colors combined with Chinese carved window grade style, with thick frosted sheet metal, which is beautiful and durable, and has a long service life. Optimize the internal system pipeline design, reduce stress and vibration, and operate quietly. Large air volume fan blades silent performance paired with brushless inverter DC motors reduce wind noise. Intelligent and high-quality inverter PC board. Large wideband working voltage range from 165 volt to 270 volt. Safe operation technology in all working conditions. Broadband operating environment temperature range -30 to 50 centigrade. Stable working, intelligent and fast defrosting. 3-level standby automatic anti-freezing protection technology, ensuring equipment safety. Fast heating, capable of simultaneously providing hot water, heating, and cooling. Spacecraft-level soundproofing and noise reduction. With built-in second soundproofing cotton, full touchscreen dynamic controller, which can remotely control and check the working status of the heat pump through mobile phone.